Hello. Today in this video I'll show you how to install Angular 9. Okay. First create one folder. Here we create one folder YouTube Angular. Open this editor and I use cmd command. Here we see my folder name and here we write a comment for install Angular. Before install Angular, we require OS, Node.js, npm and one code editor. Okay, then how to install this Angular? First, run this command. And then we check. First we create one project, ng new YouTube Angular. And question mark, would you like to add Angular routing? Y means yes. And which style sheet format would you like to use? Use arrow key. First one and enter. And now install the npm package. And my package is successfully installed. Okay. Now cd my project name YouTube Angular and check node version first, node -v. My version is 14.17.0 and check my CLI is fully means successfully installed or not. ng version and enter. And yes, enter. We see my Angular CLI is successfully installed and Angular CLI version is 12.0.5 and node version is 14.17.0 and npm manager version is 6.14.13. okay, and run this application ng serve. And my project is compiled successfully. Okay, and is a run is localhost at URL is localhost:4200 http localhost/:4200 and enter. And we see my application is running now. Here we solve one another problem. This one, NG Analytics project is off. For this, we copy this command line NG Analytics on. Run this command. Okay, now my NG Analytics is on in my project, and check my application is run or not. ng serve. Compile successful and run again. Okay, all is right. Thank you.